Lesson 20, Section 2, The Economics of Slavery. Slaves were mostly owned by wealthier planters because the majority of white Southerners could not afford to buy them. Why, then, did the South remain so loyal to slavery? Part of the answer to that question lies in the growth of the Southern economy after the invention of the cotton gin in 1793. The cotton gin made cotton a hugely profitable cash crop in the South. In 1790, the South produced just 3,000 bales of cotton, but the introduction of the cotton gin caused production to soar to more than 4 million bales a year by the 1860s. Cotton brought new wealth to the South. Slavery also helped Northern industries thrive since factories depended upon raw materials produced in the South. Robert Fogel, a historian who has studied the economics of slavery, wrote, "If we treat the North and the South as separate nations, the South would stand as the fourth most prosperous nation of the world in 1860, more prosperous than France, Germany, Denmark, or any of the countries in Europe except England." Whether they owned slaves or not, white Southerners understood that their economy depended on cotton. They also knew that cotton planters depended on slave labor to grow their profitable crop. For planters with few or no slaves, however, the prospect of owning slaves became less likely as the price of slaves rose with their demand. High prices created different outcomes for the men and women trapped in slavery. As prices went up, slaves became more valuable to their owners. At the same time, the rising value of their slaves made slaveholders less willing to listen to talk of ending slavery. In their eyes, freeing their slaves could only mean one thing: utter financial ruin.